right, since you are used to my husband's style of intro, without further ado, let's go! Bam! Crushed it!
Hey everybody, Steve Lockyer here.
Let's go!
Without further ado, let's go.
Crushed it!
Bam! Crushed it! That's pretty good. That's good. I'll try that. To do for a video. What do I do for a video? She went to another house in Seton? This is great. I'm going to use this. Awesome. The tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips, the tip of the tongue, the teeth, the lips, the tip of the tongue. Okay, I think I'm warmed up. All right, time to do the intro. Hey everybody, Steve Lock. Hey everybody. Oh, that's way too high. Can I just get like Tom Hanks or Morgan Freeman to do this? All right, get yourself together, man. All right. Hey everyone, Steve Lockyer here, and thanks so much for watching. I want to give another shout out to all of my subscribers that have been continuing on this journey with me. And I want to welcome all the new people to this channel. Maybe this is the first video that you're watching. Welcome. And I hope that I can provide you with some valuable resources and insight into the Calgary real estate market here. I am back after a much needed nap. And I hope my colleague was able to bring you a solid video. I haven't even looked at it, by the way, but currently there's a cold snap here in Calgary with lows of minus 35 degrees. So not as cold before, still cold. So I'm gonna do this intro indoors. For this tour, I went to Seton Southeast to walk you through another Jayman show home. And this one's called the Kira 24. Why do they have the number 24 on it? Well, it's simply because the house is actually 24 feet wide, meaning this one particularly sits on a zero lot. If you're curious about what a zero lot is, there's plenty in Calgary. Basically, a zero lot is 29 feet wide, and they're meant to really maximize the land and the space in Calgary. Are these lots like not good at all? What are they like? Well, it honestly depends on you. If you are coming from a place that you're used to a lot of space between neighbors' houses, then honestly, this is probably not the house for you or the lot for you. However, if you don't mind the closeness, it might actually be a really good fit for you, as these lots are obviously a lot cheaper. And builders still, though, they have designed very practical and spacious home layouts to fit these types of lots in Calgary. Also, if you're an investor, these types of houses are great purchases, as property taxes are usually lower depending on where it is located. Overall costs are usually a little bit lower. And often the house becomes more attractive for renters because the cost of rent is lower. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised as I tour you through the house, and I'll get your thoughts at the very end. So with that being said, and without further ado, let's go! This Kira show home has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, totaling over 2,000 square feet of living space. The main floor has a walk-through pantry off the mudroom, a large island with eating bar, and a great room that is open to above with floor-to-ceiling oversized windows. For the upper floor, all bedrooms have walk-in closets. The ensuite bathroom is a 5-piece with makeup area, and the bonus room feels large with raised ceilings. The basement of this home is a full secondary suite. It has 1 spacious bedroom, a 3-piece bathroom, and an open concept kitchen and living area. I'm going to put on some music right now, so please enjoy the rest of the tour. There you have it, the Kira 24. I want to get your thoughts on that. Did you get the feeling that this is kind of a squashy home, or do you think that actually the home seems to have some space, some practical living space? And let me know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you're wanting to learn more about this home or another home and or another community for living in, or maybe just renting out if you're an investor, please, what I would ask is there's a form in the description below. Please fill that out. By the way, I really need to do a video on that. The form is a way for me to better just learn about your real estate wants and or needs, as well as just for me to be organized and to better respond to you. I'll just include my phone and email contact info, so if you want to do that. That being said, I hope you have a great day, a great week, and as always, I'll catch you on the next video.